Okay, there are so many people are asking about okay, the meaning of the book of John Gospel, chapter 2, verses 15 and 16. And I have a short answer with me here that John's Gospel is loosely translated, is usually based on synoptic Gospels, but makes some changes for theological and literary reasons. Some of those changes are changes of chronology, such as moving the cleansing of the temple from just before the arrest and the crucifixion of Jesus to the very beginning of his mission. Here in John chapter 2, verses 15 to 16, Jesus single-handedly takes on the merchants of sacrificial animals and the money changers, overturning their tables and driving them out of the temple. Now, instead of quoting Jeremiah chapter 7, verses 11, as it is in the book of Mark, chapter 11, verses 17, that it is not written, "My house shall be called of all nations the house of prayer, but ye have made it a den of thieves." He simply says that, okay, that is from the book of John, that is from the verse 16 of John chapter 2, that take these things hence, make not my father's house a house of merchandise. Jesus visits the temple on at least 3 further occasions and on annual Passover, but it seems he is not recognized or apprehended for his previous assault, which everyone conveniently forgets. Even the synoptic Gospels portray Jesus going through an almost identical challenge at the end of his ministry, as if for the first time. So for me, that's a short answer about the what does this book mean, the book of John, chapter 2, verses 15 to 16.